Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. If you've had neck or back pain that you could put a finger on, or sharp pain when moving, it may be due to the facet joints of your spine. It's easy to think of your facet joints just like the knuckles of your spine. These small joints have a capsule and a cartilage pad that glide and slide, which allow you to move. As you go through life, your spinal discs go through the aging process. Your facet joints end up taking on extra load. Unfortunately, this excess stress and pressure can wear down your facets. The result is the beginning of the degenerative process, which can end up causing adhesions, restricted motion, bone spurs, and/or pain. Always keep in mind, the facet joints of your spine slide and glide as you move. Restrictions or adhesions in the facets can occur with age and/or injury, and chiropractic adjustments help the facet joints move freely and decrease those painful restrictions. The facet joints of your spine love to move. Movement helps them stay healthy and may even slow down the degenerative process. Chiropractic adjustments have been shown to reduce adhesions of the facet joints, allowing you to move more freely with less pain. We believe that when you are moving better, you are feeling better, and we're proud to be a part of the healthcare team that helps you stay active. I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.